Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to make one of the Wazwan dishes called Tabak Maaz. This classic delicacy is made with the rib portion of lamb, which is boiled with Kashmiri spices and then fried in ghee or clarified butter. Please watch the complete video, and if you like the recipe, please subscribe to our channel. For this recipe, we'll take a deep pot, add 2 liters of water and bring it to a boil. Now we will add 10 to 12 black pepper, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 5 to 6 green cardamom, 8 to 10 cloves, 4 black cardamom, 10 to 12 garlic cloves. You can add salt at this stage, but I will add it later. Then we will add the mutton ribs. So we need to make sure that the mutton ribs are submerged properly in water. So once it starts boiling, you will see some froth coming up. So we need to remove the froth. So we can take a spoon and remove the froth like this. Now we need to boil it for approximately 30 minutes in medium flame. So once it's 30 minutes, we need to take out the ribs one by one, and we need to cool it for approximately 5 minutes. Then we'll start cutting it. So we'll start with the first rib here. We'll take big chunks. So in one rib we can take out 3 or 4 portions. So as you can see, I have taken 3 portions. Similarly, we'll take the second rib and we'll cut it through. Now coming back to the froth here, so we'll add 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon fennel powder or soft powder, half teaspoon of dry ginger powder or salt powder, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, and half cup of warm milk. Now we'll give it a stir and wait for it to boil. Now we'll add the mutton pieces one by one. So we have to cook it till the mutton is soft and tender. So it will take 40-45 minutes depending on the mutton. So after 40 minutes we'll check if the mutton is cooked or not. So you can see that the mutton is cooked properly. So once it's cooked, we need to remove it from the broth, and we'll keep it aside. So you can use the remaining broth to make other recipes as well. You need not throw it. It has all the flavors inside. Now we'll take a pan and add 4 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter. So once the ghee is hot, we need to turn the flame to low and then add the mutton pieces one by one. We have to fry the mutton pieces till it's golden brown. So you can see that now it's golden brown. So we'll turn it and fry the other side. The other side will not take too much time to cook, so it will only take approximately 2 minutes. Now you can see that both the sides are cooked properly and has a beautiful golden color. Now we will take the mutton ribs and we'll start plating it. So we can garnish it with chopped coriander leaves, and you can serve it as an appetizer or with naan. For more such recipes, please like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications.